Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, today I'm working on several different techniques for different kinds of poured paintings. And today I thought, before I almost spilled another paint, it's common for me to spill some paint. A lot of times off screen, but a lot of times on screen. So, so I'm working on paintings that take very little paint, as long as you've got some latex paint, preferably white. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be semi-gloss or anything. Just, you may have to practice to get the thickness the way you want it. You know, the puddle of paint that you're going to put on, and add a little bit of colors, and then you're going to blow them out. So that's what I'm working on today. So I'm going to get started and pull you down. Okay, guys. Okay, the big thing I found out with this is if you're doing flip cups, when this comes out, if it's too thick, it's not going to work so well for what you're after. So hopefully all right, I'm just going to put on some paints. Now I've been using a little thinner paints than what I normally am doing for the poured paintings. A little bit. We'll see if this is... I really don't need a lot of colors. If you don't, it's going to mix up. Hey, I'm going to try this one over here. These are just a lot of leftover paints I got. Oh, that's really thick. Not going to use that. For sure. Okay, all of them got, a lot of these all got silicone in them. I think most all of these do, so you don't have to have silicone in it. It's not a prerequisite. Just depends on what you like. Put some out here too. There we go. Okay, so now I might be adding too many colors. I hope not. Let's add some red. And I'm just going to put a little bit of, this is opalescent, Liquidtex opalescent, and it's a little thicker than I want to see it. So hopefully it doesn't like sit in the middle. Maybe I'll just put a touch of pink. That's pink. I'm telling you. It must be so hot here that things thicken up so easily. It's not true. I have air on. But this room isn't as cool sometimes as the rest. All right, so I'm going to give it a quick blowout. I'll probably end up having to add some more white, but we'll see what happens here. Just going to add a little more white. I have a hairdryer that does not like to turn off. I'm telling you. It's got paint all over it. So I would switch out for the one that I use mostly, but I don't want to. Okay, so here we go. Butterfly wings right there. Looks pretty good. I might see what it's going to do in the middle there. Maybe I should tap that a little bit. What I don't like about this, I'm loving it, but what I don't like is this right there. Is this little bit of the pink splotched right in there, just sitting there kinda. So I'm not sure. I'm trying to think what to do while we're looking at this. I don't know if I could set something there and pop out like a bloom of some sort. I don't have any balloons. If I had a balloon, I would use that. And I can't think of any balls. So it'd have to be something kind of the end of something, maybe. You guys, can you send me a message telepathically what to use, please? Just trying to think of something I have. Let's just try this. Why not, right? I just don't like the way that looks. And I don't want to mess with these too much. Because I kind of ruined the last one accidentally. That's better. Let's do it again, maybe. At least it doesn't look like it did, like it didn't belong there, you know? So, I'm liking this. Let's see what happens if I hit that center with the torch real quick. Not too much. I didn't think too much would happen, but I wanted to do it. You never know. Sometimes something does happen. So I think this is done, guys. What do you think? Last time I was showing, I leaned it up to show you, and I blew off. It had little cells all around the edge. I accidentally poured one of them off. So, with that in mind, I would just hold this close. I was trying to get the light out of it. So, I don't want to accidentally throw any of it off this time. Okay, guys? All right. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.